11 advantages of e-learning in education. Technology has impacted various industries and markets on a global scale, and advancements are still being introduced, changing the way we live, work, and study. Higher education has undergone significant upgrades since the expansion of the e-learning trend, and it seems like things are going in the right direction. Expecting to deliver revenue over $325 million by sorry $325 billion by 2025. The e-learning sector is booming, and there are quite a few powerful reasons why. Students, alumni, and corporations are all benefited from the high education digital trend. As author and e-learning researcher Donna Abernathy says, online learning is not the next big thing, it is the now big thing. Accessibility with no geographical boundaries involved. One of the main advantages that comes into discussion is accessibility. For some students, moving to another country for study purpose simply not an option. E-learning eliminates all restrictions, allowing individuals from all over the world to complete the course on training they are interested in. Those who are either physically or psychologically unable to be present in a classroom can continue their educational development through online courses. Mobility. Combining education with work or other activities can be often challenging for many. One of the factors that has brought so much appeal to learning methods influenced by technology is the mobility involved. E-learning gives students the chance to study at any place and at any time, accommodating their needs perfectly. Today's learners want a personalized mobile approach to education, and that is exactly what this option provides. Resource scalability. Educating employees and students in traditional learning environments involves a wide range of resource requirements. A single instructor isn't able to teach a high number of students in just one classroom or at a corporate training institution. With e-learning, on the other hand, the reach of educators is virtually infinite. With money and time saved, more resources can be preserved as well. Scalability enhances the effect of learning and teaching process, helping both parties involved. Effective results. It has been shown that online education can often be more effective. More students are able to grasp the information received when they benefit from increased flexibility. The positive nature of e-learning practices also bring better result to organization training their employees. Improved scores on evaluation like tests, certification, etc. Retaining information for a longer period of time, and more students can obtain the pass levels. Self-paced learning. Online courses allow learners to enjoy a self-paced training schedule. They can study according to their own time, being easier to incorporate learning in their busy life regardless of specifics. Full-time employees or individuals who simply don't have the necessary time to attend physical classes are no longer left behind. Learning and completing courses after work, in the evening or in the weekend, or when they have a spare time to possible through this digital mode. From recorded lessons and written content to collaborative learning, software and webinars, possibilities are multiple, and anyone with an internet connection can easily access them. As reports at Class Central indicate, in 2017 alone, around 27 million individuals on a global scale took their first massive open online course, rounding up a number of 81 million online learners at over 800 universities. Quick lesson delivery cycles. When comparing traditional classroom teaching with this digital mode, it is easier to spot the positive difference in lesson delivery cycles. E-learning facilities facilitates a reduction in learning time by even up to 60%. E-learning reduces study time from the following considerations, like a single learning session wraps up the entire lesson. Students don't have to keep up with the learning speed of the entire classroom group, and learners don't have to travel to a certain institutions by doing so, eliminating commuting, and students can focus solely on learning materials areas relevant to them. Improved metrics. Tracking how effective a traditional training program actually it can be challenging in traditional learning environments. Evaluating results, keeping a close tab on students' progress and taking action based on results cannot always be possible in a physical classroom. E-learning, on the other hand, provides a more effective learning management system. An online course curriculum comes with improved metrics. It is easier to spot study results which are later measured and improved through necessary changes. Upskilling. Individuals need to maintain their skill sets relevant to the current demands of the industry they work in. Considering that we live in a technology-driven climate, staying up to date on different tech trends is a priority for organizations and their staff. Upskilling has thus become a necessity for many individuals, allowing them to upgrade their current skills and perform different professional roles better. More people are interested in pivoting mid-career and accessing better employment opportunities as well. Going back to school is, however, not an easy to reach possibility, and that is when online education comes into the rescue. Diversifying their areas of expertise is far easier with e-learning. Cost consideration. The high expense of traditional education has often prevented individuals from accessing the academic journey they desire or the career boost they target. A strong advantage of online learning, which has to be linked to the popularity increases of this trend is in recent years, is a reduction in cost. Because learning time and resources are reduced, e-learning is the most cost-effective alternative. Learning through this mode is fast and easy, so naturally the decrease in expenses occurs. For large organizations, this also comes as an optional or optimal solution for employee training. Corporations can improve the skills of their workforces regardless of economic climate. Helps the students stay relevant in quickly changing environment. We live in a fast-paced world, and traditional learning is often an obstacle due to outdated learning resources. Digital learning makes it possible to update the study materials fast and in real time, keeping the content fresh and relevant in quickly changing environment. When students are taking an online class, they can be certain the information received is updated to the current climate, whereas in traditional settings, textbooks may still contain outdated, irrelevant content. And the last one, environmental impact. On last thing to remember here is the impact of e-learning has on the environment. Activists are encouraged sustainability practices in all industries and markets, and education isn't left behind. More organizations are highlighting the eco-friendly nature of digital learning. E-learning is a paperless way of studying. According to certain statistics, digital learning also consumes up to 90% less power. So those who are interested in a more environmental friendly, conscious way of studying have certainly directed their attention to distance-based learning opportunities. The subject of e-learning is a vast one, addressing a wide variety of aspects, while at a time, digital learning technologies cannot completely eliminate the need for traditional learning. This now becomes essential for the modern student. With the powerful advantages, e-learning is driving more interest than ever, and things are likely to go uphill from now on. Thanks for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for continuous support. Thank you.